Hello everyone, my name is Shaden. So today I will be teaching you on how to submit your qualification round IAAC 2025. Before that, please ensure before you submit, please ensure your documents are prepared so that you can submit it. So to submit your IAAC solutions, I've attached my link down in my description below and in my comment sections as well. So once you click that or paste that in your computer or any device, I need you to actually focus. Right, so let's begin. So as soon as you're prompted to this website, I'm sure some certain users, they will be asking you to select your language. So you can select your language, and once you select that, just continue with this web page. So as soon as you open to your web page, it's very easy. You just put your full name. Let's say mine is just as simple, right? You do not put wait like that. You just put small, like a normal person would do, right? And date of birth is 25 December, and then okay, 2009. There we go. And please remind that it's important to enter your correct date of birth. Depending on your age group, you have to score more points to qualify for the next round. So yeah, and aside from that, you have to put your country, right? Your country and the current city that you're studying in. So let's say if I study in Shah Alam, then just put it in. Email, right? A lot of people ask me what email should I put in and everything. For the email, you are not required, you may put any email as long as it's active or not full, because we do not want any fake emails, because once we finish our qualification round, they will submit those certificates and announcements via email. So please ensure your email is active. For me, I will use my IAAC email or whatsoever, right? And I will set the password. For the password, please ensure the password that you're entering is correct and no errors. For example, if I put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10, please ensure the password is not easily being guessed by anyone. You can put anything as long as no one knows, okay? Right, moving on, name of school or university. Please ensure that the name of your university is full, official. If you study in SMK section 9 Shah Alam, you just write Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan section 9 Shah Alam. That's it. Moving on, for this current grade or year of study, I will put an image in the video showing the Malaysian version of grade. I know that a lot of students doesn't know the difference between the grade or year, because in Malaysia we use form and year only. We do not use year fully or grade fully. So yeah. Alright, last but not least, here is the most important thing: email of school or science teacher. Right, when I say science teacher, it does not need to be a STEM teacher. Please ensure the teacher the teacher that represents you is a science teacher. Understand that you can use school's email. Do let your school administrator or your university administrator about this, okay? Right, once you have done all of that, it's time for you to submit it. You are required to submit it in PDF only. So that means that you have to compile everything and click the link below or anything, right? And submit it. The instructions are given down below, so please read. And moving on, please answer this as ambassador, okay? It will be really grateful if you do. And English original, and I agree to the rules of this. And that's it. That is it. And just submit. And once you have submit, you will have a link to log in. Like for mine, I'll be logging as a participant or an ambassador, so you can log in and ensure and wait for the results to come out. Once the results comes out, you will have in your login page there will be certificate that you can download. You can download it via your email or in this website. So yeah. Alright guys, if you have any question, you can contact me down below in my Telegram, link down below in my Telegram group, or you can just DM me on my Telegram as well, because my Instagram is extremely glitchy. I can't receive any message over there. So I wish you all the best for this year's qualification round, and if you win, I hope I can see you again. Alright, bye guys.